Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to add email addresses to your safe sender list in Gmail. So if you want emails to, instead of going to spam from senders that you determine to be safe, if you want to add them to your safe sender list, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to do that. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is select the little person icon that says contacts on the right panel here. Go ahead and left click on that. Select create contact and then insert the relevant information as well as an email address. You don't have to necessarily enter in a first or last name. If you just want to type in a company name, that's fine. And then once you're done, you will select save. And then by doing that, and by adding them as a contact, you are basically adding them to your safe sender list. So pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.